2024. Let's take a review. What has this year brought for us in terms of solar PV? I haven't done such a review already now for 2 years because not everybody likes numbers. But still, there have been quite some changes the last 2 years in our systems, especially the addition of a hybrid solar system in the garage, and this had quite some impact also into the numbers. And then I want to take the chance and we can have a short preview for the year 2025 and see what we can expect for this year, what kind of projects there will be. Yeah, so how did the energy flow in 2024? So everyone who knows my channel knows that I have 8 individual solar systems here on my property. One is an off-grid system. Then I do have 6 pure grid-tied systems, and the newest one is a hybrid, which is grid-tied but does store energy in a battery. So overall, in 2024, those PV systems have generated 28.3 megawatt hours of energy. 15.7 megawatt hours of that generated energy has been directly used in our resort. So during the daytime, when sun was shining, our hotel operation is optimized so that we do use quite a lot of energy directly. So this is for washing, drying clothes, then kitchen operation, etc., etc. The total consumption in the resort was 37.6 megawatt hours. So what happened to the rest of the generated energy? That is 12.6 megawatt hours. 7.7 megawatt hours of those 12.6 megawatt hours went into battery storage. So I have 3 batteries. At the moment they have around 25 kilowatt hours of usable storage capacity. So 7.7 megawatt hours went into batteries and then again into our resort. That means 4.9 megawatt hours still could not be used, and they just left our property as a gift to the utility company for 0. On the other side, we had to still import 14.1 megawatt hours of energy from the grid. But still, that means that 83% of our generated PV power was utilized on our property. That makes that 62% of our energy mix on the property comes from solar energy. I think those numbers are quite good. Let's have a short look into the payback. How does the situation look on that front up to the year 2024? So in total I do have my 8 solar systems plus the AC Powerwall as a 9th system. That AC Powerwall is the DIY Powerwall, which at the end tries to remove the remaining excessive energy from our system to keep it on the property and tries to reduce the export to the grid. 3 of my individual solar systems, which of course are just simple grid tie systems, are already paid back. We are above 100%. The best actually is already at 126%. Another grid tie system will pass the 100% threshold this year, and then probably next year there will be then another one. Of course, the battery systems, they still have a little bit time to go, so I'm still expecting that after around 3 more years all of my solar PV, including battery systems, will be paid back. So as you can see, we are quite on a good path here, and the fantastic thing on solar here in Thailand is that you don't have a winter like in some other countries you are coming from. We have solar output nearly constant all over the year. It is just changing a little bit due to dry and rainy seasons, but that's already it. The difference between the best and the worst months is just around 20%. The solar systems are saving us around $3,000 a year, and our energy bills are around $2,500 for the whole year. For a small business like us, this is, I think, quite good. It could be better, and that is what is going to change in 2025. So the plan for 2025 is to keep the remaining 5 megawatt hours, which we now give to the utility company for free, to keep this here on the property. And how can this be done? Of course, it is a matter of catch and store. This is what I'm doing with my DIY power wall, but there I unfortunately do have my problems. This year I have lost around 1 megawatt hours just due to equipment failure while I was not here in Thailand, and this is where I will of course tackle the problem. So the project for 2025 is called AC Powerwall version 2, of course, and it will come in 2 steps because it is a financially demanding project. And yeah, as you know, also the economy here in Thailand is not good at the moment, similar to many other countries in the world. Anyways, I have to start it at some point. So I will do this in 2 steps. The first step will be quite soon, and you will then see this, of course, in my videos. And the second step, we will see if I can do it before I leave to Austria in summer, or if we do it then right after when I'm back. So yeah, that was the situation in the past years and what will come this year. I hope you had a good year as well with your systems at home. Please leave a comment. How was your year? How is the payback situation in your system? After how many years did you return your investments, if you have it already? So thank you for watching this video. Leave your comments, as I said. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I see you on the next one.